Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Allie's pricing question is a game theory speed run, and the key clue tells you exactly which idea fits, so let's lock it in fast. Start by comparing Allie's two choices, increase or decrease price, against both things Bob could do, because the question is asking whether one move stays better in every case. The clue says increasing price raises Allie's profit no matter what Bob does, and that means one action is the best response regardless of the other seller's decision. That situation is called a dominant strategy because one option wins in every scenario. So the correct answer is option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush on flashy terms. Trust the given clue and check which move stays best regardless.